How to cancel order on Shein and get a refund. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Shein application or your web browser and get logged into your Shein account. And to do so, let's go ahead and select the order or the purchase list. To do that, simply tap on cart. And before you cancel the order, also be noted only the orders that are processing can be cancelled, but you cannot cancel the order that has already been shipped. Now select the order, then tap on three dot icon on your bottom left. Here tap on cancel item, then select yes. And at this page, select all, then tap on next. Now select the refund method of how you would like to get refunded. Once you do so, also select your cancellation reason. You can select any reason that you would like. Once done, tap on the submit. Just like so, this is how you can cancel a order and get a refund on Shein. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.